Here we go. This is your main living area. Look at that kitchen. I'm so excited to go that side, but before that, I'm gonna go on this side of the house, the very corner of this house, so you can see how it looks like from this corner. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing today? I am so glad we will be together today. If you can see, guys, this is my background here. You will be able to have this view if you buy a home here in Sunstone in Lennar. And we are going to tour this beautiful home together. So I'm so excited, guys. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe down below so that you will see my daily videos. And also, it will be amazing if you will hit that bell notifications on and like this video. Share this video. Feel free to share this video. Comment down below if you have any feedback regarding the home that we will be touring today. All right, I'm super excited, guys. So let's do this together. This is a two-story home, model Nora. This is a nice stonework here, guys. Wanted to show you the front of this house, 2,704 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. This is ideal for a big family looking for a big home, right? You have your 2-car garage there. Really nice. Everyone will enjoy this, guys, because it is a big home. And I like the facade of this home too. Your entrance is on this side. Knock, knock. Ooh, look at this. You're greeted by an open space already. Let me close the door, guys, here so that it will not ring. All right. Before we go to the main living area, I wanted to show you guys what's happening on this side because I saw something on this right side. Ooh, look at that. I'm seeing an office. Oh, wow. This is a nice space for an office. Because of that large window there, it makes the room even brighter. But you know why I believe this is a bedroom? It's because there is a closet there. So technically, you can use this as a bedroom if there is a closet. Right now, they are using it as an office. But this is perfect, guys, for anyone who can't go upstairs. Like, for example, your in-laws that can't go upstairs, they can definitely stay here. And this is the closet that I mentioned a while ago. Let me open the lights here so you can appreciate that it is actually a pretty nice size walk-in closet. Yes. All right, so we're gonna go on the main area here, but I saw a full bathroom, of course, for your guest. Hello, guys. And also for that bedroom there, they use again this nice quartz. Right? And then they have this flooring. Comment down below, guys. Do you like a lighter colored flooring or a darker color? And then also they use this, again, standard tile so that you can have an easier cleaning. All right. Are you guys excited? I am excited to check out this main living area. It's quite dark there. I don't understand. Maybe because of the color of the wall. But let's do this. Here we go. This is your main living area. Look at that kitchen. I'm so excited to go that side. But before that, I'm going to go on this side of the house, the very corner of this house, so you can see how it looks like from this corner. So that's the door entrance. I like the furniture they've used also, and this railing here makes the room even open. Let's check out this beautiful kitchen. Also, you have that dining area there separately. All right. Wow, this is a nice design kitchen. I like the pure white theme of this kitchen. It's timeless. And I'm seeing a pantry there, so we will check that out as well. It's a pretty good sized pantry. You can walk here. So I'm walking right now, right? This is your pantry here, right? Really nice. Again, this is your kitchen, really white kitchen there. This is a huge island, guys. The video doesn't show it's huge, but when you go here in person, that is a huge island. And appreciate that there is a separate dining area here with this large window and also that opening there. Let's see this backyard. It's not a big backyard, but definitely we can ask if you can upgrade this, right, to a larger lot so that you can put a pool. Let's see here. So yeah, it's hard to get to the backyard, guys. They normally close it, but you have an idea that how yeah, they normally close it. See how it's not opening like that. But anyhow, that's your backyard. And this is again your main living area from this side of the house. I'm seeing something there, so let's take a look what's happening there. I believe this is the opening to the garage, right? Which technically is closed. And then this is a really massive coat closet there, right? I don't know if there's a light here. Yeah, there is. So see how it's massive there. You can put like boxes there once you moved in. All right. I'm excited to see the upper floor because this is a huge house. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in total. All right, let's get to the upper portion of the house. By the way, guys, before we go, look at this ceiling here. It's a nice height ceiling upon entering the door there. And then if you want, you can also upgrade this into hardwood, the stairs. All right, where do we want to go, right or left? Comment down below. I think we're gonna go on the right. So, so we're gonna go on this side. Ooh, this is a huge loft, guys. Yeah, very, very huge. You can have your kids play here or you can watch movies before sleeping. There's a lot of seating area too. I guess this house is made for like a huge family, right? So, okay, so on this side, I'm seeing a secondary bedroom. Let's take a look. Oh, look at this. Okay, guys, whenever I see a staging of like a baby crib, it shows that they want you to have a baby with your seating area here so that you can watch your baby while she is sleeping. And then they already have that closet there so that once your baby is now a lady, she can definitely stay with you again because she has that closet area already. So it's very functional, right? You can have a baby in the meantime. When they grow up, they can stay with you if you allow them. All right. And then there is this mini closet, meaning cabinetry area here for maybe like you can store your baby products. There's another Golden Knights. Who is a fan of Golden Knights here? Please comment down below. You will enjoy this room. This room is for you. Hockey, look at this. And I appreciate that they have this walk-in closet, even though it's only for a secondary bedroom, but they they have like walk-in closets. All right, let's go to the owners. But before that, let's check out this full bathroom here. Hello, guys. And you have that quartz sink again. Nice flooring. And then, yes, so I like this design, guys. Let me know if you also like this design where there is a door separating the sinks and the toilet and shower area so that both of the people on the 2 bedrooms can be efficient. They can close this and someone is doing the shower and someone doing the sink situation here. So that's a good layout there. Look at this, you have a toilet, right? So that door there is definitely ideal for a bathroom sharing situation. All right, are you ready, guys, to see the owner's bedroom? Okay, there are a lot of doors I'm seeing. Ooh, look at this, guys. This is massive. When you see a sitting area, that means the room is massive. And I like this design of the wall, guys, right? It's not too busy in the eyes. The pattern is very elegant. All right, this is your massive, and look at this 2-door opening, right? Really nice. The lights are off. Maybe if we can open it, it will brighten it. No, so it's not. But from the video, it doesn't look bright, but in person here, guys, it's bright. But before we go to the main bathroom area, I wanted to check out if we can go out and see the balcony here. Oops. Looks to me that they closed it. Yes, they did. Because there is this thing here. All right, so we cannot go out, but you have an idea, guys, that you will get this balcony. It's a pretty good sized balcony. And your view, look at that. You know, in person, it doesn't look big, but when you're here in person, you can definitely see the mountains. All right, are you ready, guys, to see? Oh, this is massive, right? You have your toilet area there. And then you have this massive bathroom area. Let's open the lights, see what's happening. So I just opened the light so that it looks really big again on the video. You have your quartz. Oh, this, the lady would love this because they normally have a makeup area. And then you have bathtub frosted glass so that no one will see you, but the light's still coming on. Regular towel, easy to clean. Definitely you can upgrade that if you want. And I'm seeing a walk-in closet there, which we will check out also. All right, let's check out your walk-in closet. Ooh, this is large. Yeah, it is large. I'm gonna go and span it from this side, guys, so you can see how large it is. This is a massive one. Your wife will enjoy it if you are a man who has a wife. And if you're a lady, please comment down below if this is enough for you or you wanted a little bit larger than this. Right? It would be nice if you have like cabinetry there with LED lighting if you want. Since it's a pretty good sized closet, you can definitely put a lot of cabinetry there. All right, let's go back to the main area. Right, this is your owner's bedroom. Okay. It's massive. Oh, we haven't checked this one. I think this is the laundry area. Wow, your laundry area is big. Look at that. Really big laundry area. You can put sink there if they will allow you to put a sink or a bathtub for the dog. All right, let's go back to the main area. That's the loft we've seen a while ago, and this is the stairs. You got this massive ceiling height. This again, guys, is your living room, dining and kitchen area. Comment down below, what do you think of this massive kitchen and open space? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it again, and thank you so much for all of your support to this channel. We are growing. I wanted to get some feedback from you guys. What do you think of this home? It's pretty large, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And I'd really like to invite you, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below, because there is a lot more tours that we will be doing on this channel. And at the same time, share this to your friends and families. I'd like to see you again in the next video, guys. So thank you so much. Until on the next video, look forward to seeing you there.